based problems and exponential function e for x etc. e for mx plus n, e for x or a for x function. So trigonometric functions, exponential functions based problems we can solve by using the basic formulas, whatever the formulas we have studied in a differentiation. From that we can derive integration formulas also. Okay, first we will use d by dx of what are the trigonometric functions: sin x, cos x, tan x, cosecant x, secant x, cot x, and exponential functions e for x and a for x. You can take the functions basic formulas related to d by d differentiation. From that we can derive integration formulas. Okay. First of all, d by dx of sin x. d by dx of sin x equal to what? Cos x. We know. From this we can derive integration is what? Antiderivative. Antiderivative means integral cos x dx equal to what? Sin x plus c. That's all. We can do antiderivative. This is derivative of sin x. Cos x is derivative of sin x. We can take integral cos x dx equals sin x plus c. And d by dx of cos x equal to what? Minus sin x. So from this integral sin x dx equal to what? Minus cos x plus c. Constant of integration we can add always. Okay, it is indefinite integration. Because of this we can add constant of integration c always. d by dx of tan x equal to what? d by dx of tan x equal to what? We know very well differentiation. From the differentiation secant square x. From this antiderivative of secant square x. This is integral secant square x dx equal to what? Automatically it will become tan x plus c. d by dx of secant x equal to what? Secant x into tan x. From this integral secant x tan x with respect to dx, with respect to x equal to what? Secant x plus c. Fifth, d by dx of cosecant x equal to minus cosecant x cot x. From this integration cosecant x cot x dx equal to minus cosecant x plus c. Okay. In sixth, d by dx of cot x equal to minus cosecant square x. From this integral cosecant square x dx equal to what? Minus cot x plus c. We can observe minus here. Cosecant x, cot x and cosecant square x. Okay. These formulas, these are the integration formulas we can apply. Always we need not write anything, but how it is derived? Antiderivative of differentiation. Antiderivative integration is nothing but. So we derive from that direct formulas. Integral cos x, integral sin x dx equal to, from this now onwards you can use integral sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c, integral cos x dx equal to sin x plus c, integral secant square x dx equal to tan x plus c, integral secant x tan x dx equal to secant x plus c, integral cosecant x and cot x dx equal to minus cosecant x plus c, integral cosecant square x dx equal to minus cot x plus c. Then you may ask integral tan x, integral secant x, what are the formulas? We can solve the problem differently, different method. We cannot derive directly from this. After that, one by one we will go for next problems. In that we will learn that also. Okay, this formula write down. If you kept these formulas in your mind, we can solve number of problems in the integration, whatever the indifferent integration or different integration. Okay. The next formula, already I told you, integral e4x dx equal to e4x plus c. How it is derived? D by dx of e4x equal to what? e4x. This is integral e4x dx equal to e4x plus c. And integral d by dx of a4x equal to what? a4x into log a. So integral a4x dx equal to a4x by log a plus c. a4x dx equal to a4x by log a plus c. From this we can write d by dx of e4 mx plus n is equal to what? M into e4 mx plus n. So from this, integral e4 mx plus n dx equal to what? I can write 1 here. M is multiplying factor. You can write in denominator, dividing factor, 1 by m into e4 mx plus n plus c. Okay. Integral d by dx of, we can write sine of ax plus b is equal to what? A constant x coefficient. A you can take a into d by dx of sin x equal to what? Cos ax plus bn. Cos of ax plus b. From this, integral a into cos of ax plus b. So immediately we will get integral sine of ax plus b is what? Dx is equal to minus 1 by a cos of ax plus bn, 1 by a in denominator plus c. Okay. So in denominator we will get 1 by a. Here multiplying factor. Integration, we will get integral sin x equal to what? Minus cos x. These are the basic formula. From this basic theory, we can solve some problems related to this concept. What are the trigonometric identities? Trigonometric identities also we can use. What are the trigonometric identities? Sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. And secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1. Another formula, cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. This is equal to, we can manipulate it into cos square x minus sin square x. We can write 1 minus cos square x. So from that we will get 2 cos square x minus 1, or cos square x we can write 1 minus sin square x. So from that 1 minus 2 sin square x. This is also another important formula we can use in differentiation or integration. These formulas, trigonometric identities, just remember this, mark up this. If you don't know, if you know very well, no problem. Okay, these formulas we can use in the coming problems in the entire integration or indifferent integration or different integration. Okay, okay. We know very well trigonometric ratio sin x, cos x, tan x, cosecant x, secant x, so everything cot x. From the applications we will learn from the remaining problems. Okay, from this we can solve some problem related to this concepts, whatever we will learn till now. Integral cos 2x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x. Integral cos 2x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x dx. Find out integration of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x dx. From this formula, whatever the concepts, trigonometric identities I said, just apply this concept. Integral cos 2x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x. Here cos 2x and 2 sin square x. By seeing this, I can apply earlier formula. Since cos 2x equal to what? We know very well. Cos square x minus sin square x or 2 cos square x minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square x. Here 2 sin square x is there. So cos 2x I can apply 1 minus 2 sin square x. Immediately 2 sin square x and plus 2 sin square x minus 2 sin square x get cancelled. If you want, I will give you clarity. Cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. This is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Again I am writing. So apply this. These three formulas depending on the situation. If the function after plus, if you saw 2 cos square x, we can apply this formula. Here sin square x get cancelled by 1 minus 2 sin square x. So we can apply this formula now. Whatever the formula is required, we need to identify ourselves. Okay. So therefore, integral cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x dx. Okay. This is equal to minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x get cancelled. Minus plus get cancelled. So integral 1 by cos square x dx. This is equal to integral 1 by cos square x equal to what? Secant square x dx. This is equal to what? Integral secant square x dx equal to tan x plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Integral secant square x dx. Already I told you formula. Integral secant square dx equal to tan x plus c. That's all. Integral sin of 2 minus 3x by cos square 2 minus 3x. Next problem. This problem came in the earlier cbse board exam 1 mark question. I will solve by seeing this numerator sin function is having 2 minus 3x instead of x and denominator cos square, but the function x is same 2 minus 3x. Internal function is 2 minus 3x, numerator and denominator. So I can elaborate to write this form, this function and solve it. Integral sin 2 minus 3x. Keep it as 2 minus 3x. By cos square 2 minus 3x is, we can write cos of 2 minus 3x into cos of 2 minus 3x. I am splitting into two functions. I am splitting this function into two functions. Square, because of square again it is become cos square. So now integral sin of 2 minus 3x by cos of 2 minus 3x. We can write like this. Integral sin of 2 minus 3x by cos of 2 minus 3x into 1 by cos of 2 minus 3x dx. This is equal to what? Integral sin theta by cos theta. What is that? Integral sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. And integral keep aside. 1 by cos theta equal to secant theta. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta or secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So immediately I can simplify it into integral tan of 2 minus 3x into secant of 2 minus 3x dx. This is equal to what? Integral tan of 2 minus 3x into secant of 2 minus 3x equal to integral secant theta into tan theta. Integral secant theta into tan theta. Immediately, what is the result? Integral secant theta into tan theta equal to secant theta. So secant theta is what? Secant of 2 minus 3x. Again, but theta, instead of theta, we have 2 minus 3x. Immediately I can write 1 by minus 3. X coefficient is what? Minus 3. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus c. This is the result of this equal to minus 1 by 3. If I want further more simplification, minus 1 by 3 take right before the secant function. So minus 1 by 3 secant of 2 minus 3x plus constant c. That's all. Okay. We solve the problem. Very basic methods we are solving. Later we will go to advanced problems. So one by one method wise substitution method, trigonometric, inverse trigonometric functions, etc. Okay. Next. Integral cost. Yes. Next problem, integral cos 2x by cos square x into sin square x dx. Integral cos 2x by cos square x into sin square x dx. This is, I can solve, already told you formulas. Cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. We can use this formula, cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x equal to what? 2 cos square x minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square x. But here in denominator we saw the cos square x and sin square x terms. So immediately we can use this formula. That is the best solution for this kind of problems. So integral cos 2x, therefore integral cos 2x by cos square x into sin square x dx is equal to integral cos 2x. I can write cos square x minus sin square x by cos square x into sin square x into sin square x dx. Okay. This is equal to what? This is equal to integral cos square x by, I can split into two functions, cos square x dx by cos square x into sin square x minus integral sin square x dx by cos square x into sin square x. This is equal to what? Numerator cos square x, denominator cos square x get cancelled. And integrals, numerator sin square x, denominator sin square x get cancelled. Remaining terms integral dx by sin square x minus integral dx by, what are the left? Cos square x. Okay. This I can write, this equal to integral dx by sin square x equal to what? Cosecant square x. 1 by sin square x equal to 1 by sin x equal to cosecant square x. So, what? Cosecant square x dx minus 1 by cos square x equal to what? Secant square x, integral secant square x dx. This equal to integral cosecant square x dx equal to what? Integral cosecant square x dx equal to, I can write integral cosecant square x dx equal to, result is minus cot x minus cot x, and integral secant square x equal to tan x plus c. This is the result. Okay, this is the result. I am explaining everything in detail. Okay, Just follow my lectures. I will give you complete output on the each and every problem. Complete NCERT solution. Within 2 months, we will complete before January 15th, we will complete all syllabus. Okay? Complete syllabus. Thank you. And next, follow and my channel for further problems. And next problem is integral e power 5 log x dx is equal to what? Okay. Integral e power 5 log x dx. Here exponential function along with logarithmic function has given. So we need to know some properties also. Logarithmic function. Logarithm, if there is no base mentioned, its base should be e. Base, if they are not mentioned base, we can assume it is base is e. Log e x. Okay. Log x 5 integral dx equal to, I can write e integral whatever the function m log x to the base e. We can write this base, this coefficient in the power. So integral log x to the base e whole power 5 dx. Okay. But here it is given e power. Immediately I can write e power log x to the base e over power 5. This e power base e, this e power get cancelled, so we will get integral x whole power 5 dx. Since integral e power log x to the base e equal to x, integral not integral, basic property of logarithmic function is e power log x to the base e equal to x. This is the basic property. So from this we will get x whole power 5 is there. You can write integral x power 5 dx. This is equal to what? Integral x power 5 dx equal to what? Integral x power 5 dx equal to integral x power n dx. So x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power n plus 1 means x power 5 plus 1. That means x power 6 by 6 plus constant c. This is the result of okay. Integral e power 5 log x dx result. Okay. A power, we can just learn this. A power mn equal to, we can write a power m whole power n also. This is the property we used. Okay. M log n, log x to the base n. We can write like this: log x to the base n whole power m. Okay. We can write like this. This is algebraic solutions, applications, algebraic applications and logarithmic functions. Okay, same. Whatever I applied, here also 5. It is in e for 5 log x to the base e. In logarithmic, coefficient is 5. This coefficient we are taken to power. Okay, by using this property. So easily we can solve this problem, this kind of problems. 1 mark questions we are getting this kind of problems in CBSE board exam. Okay, thank you, and we will continue next problems. Thank you.